This is pretty obvious. Something. I don't know. Is it the bed next or just the stuff on top? There's a lot of stuff here. Wait, maybe that's good. Got Sonic here, the Woody. Oh, there's some random metal. Not metal. Yeah, aluminum something. Seems like it's already lost some.
I might have to blow it up somewhere here.
So when you did it, you wanted to do it all alone, but when I do it, you want to help me.
Might have to blow it up later tonight before we
Probably. This is barely holding on just because of your leg. Wow. Okay, now I can get the other ears. Yeah. Moving. Oh my gosh, I almost tripped. If we have to pull it back out?
What do you think?
Oh well.
Wait until we're ready to. Or what do you think? We can put them in here. We'll just push the blankets to the side.
Alright.
Pull it out. How's that?
I guess.
Sound like a plan?
Sure.
We'll just push them to the side. No biggie. It works.
I guess I'll be on the left. Our left. So, yeah, I'll put my. And that's yours, so. Okay, after this stuff, I just got 2 little bags. And then I'm all good. Other than wherever our drinks are. And I'll set that just to the side in case one of us jumps or something. Oh man, my sketchbook came out. Wait, I think I got everything. I'm guessing you have the bag that has the drinks?
Yep.
Well, it's 7:31 p.m. and yeah. What comes next?
Going down here and putting the thing in the envelope.
Okay, I'm getting water and I'm going with you.